Okay, KBEAR has released a very expensive, it is really expensive cable that has no interchangeable connectors, which is just insane considering the price KBEAR is charging for this cable. So price is $110, $120. Actually, it's $120 on AliExpress, and the thing here is that it's called the Graphene cable. It is it's quite literally a very thick cable. It's a thick copper cable. My problem is not the build quality. The build quality will probably be great. The only thing I worry about is that for this price they did not add interchangeable connectors, which is just silly to me. You should have added that so that it will at least give reason to why somebody will spend this amount to buy this product. You know, it is if someone wants to buy this product, they have to see a reason to buy it. And someone like me, I can't just buy an expensive $120 cable if it doesn't have interchangeable connections. It really doesn't make any sense, because I personally don't feel an 8-core graphene single copper cable can outperform every other cable that's priced way below its price range. So for the fact that it didn't come with an interchangeable connectors to leverage the potential it may have, I think it's a big problem for it going into the future. So it is available. If you're a cable guy like me, I have different cables, you can check it out, but just know that it's not coming with interchangeable connectors like the Duno, the Fiio, the JadeAudio, all these other brands that have interchangeable connectors. Look, this is nice to me, but like, I really needed it to have it really needed to have those requirements for me. It was really important to me that it had all those requirements. But regardless, I think it's really a nice looking cable. I don't really have a problem with the KBEAR makes fantastic products, so I don't doubt the quality of the cable. My own problem is the interchangeable connectors, which it wasn't built with that in mind. If you want balance, you have to buy the cable separately, which is not really a good idea considering you're charging $120 for it. So that is it. That is really it. Please subscribe to our channel, like our content, follow social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.